How to find the jungle temple in Terraria. So it is always located in the underground jungle right here. And it also generates in the cavern layer, which is this gray stone background, and is typically found in the lower half of the jungle, often towards the edges. So as you can see right here, but it can also spawn centrally. So the temple is full of traps. So a danger sense potion is the most effective tool to find it. So let's try to drink one. So as you can see, if you see traps like this, it means that you're basically near the temple. So let's say I'm right here, and as you can see, I can see the traps just like that. So I just simply need to dig down until I see the brick or the temple brick right here. Second method is basically analyzing your map. So if you have explored a lot of the jungle but missed it, you just basically need to open your full screen map and look for a massive solid block of dark brown or orange color, just like this. So it is a large rectangular-ish structure that interrupts the chaotic cave generation of the jungle right here. And also do note that the entrance is locked. You will need the temple key. And to get the temple key, you must first defeat Plantera. And by defeating Plantera, there is a 100% chance that it will drop the temple key. And that is how you basically find the jungle temple in Terraria.